For decades, humans have witnessed UFOs all around the world. Parrot engineers have successfully tested flight with the mythic and legendary flying saucer shape. The Parrot flying saucer will be powered by lithium-ion 35 mAh batteries, as slim as the one used in all smartphones. It turned out that manufacturing the saucer with a mix of ultralight ionized aluminum used in aerospace industries and carbon fiber gave it a good stability at altitude over 100 meters. This allowed us to bring a robust downward-facing camera, making the Parrot flying saucer a good option for aerial shoots and video. Parrot flying saucer coming this December.